Hi friends, I am makeup artist Namvo, some call me Namvo Glow, and today I'm partnering up with Iconic London, one of my favorite makeup brands, to show you a trick using only one product 3 different ways. So watch very carefully. Okay, so the first part to this gift that keeps giving is this sheer blush, and I'm using the color Fresh Face, and it's almost like a nudie rose color, I guess I would say, but I want you to see I'm just using my fingers and I'm kind of like working it in. Look how it looks healthy and like it's coming from within my skin. Another thing that you could do is use this on your eyes. Watch, it's just going to be a beautiful wash of color. And you know, you don't have to be like an amazing skilled makeup artist. It's so pretty because this literally just melts right on the lid and it looks kind of like dewy and wet. Look how natural and warm that is on my eyelid. And I just kind of just melt it on the eyes that way. And it just gives my eye that beautiful nudie rose. It matches with my cheeks too. So notice that color on my cheek, on my eye, and everything is like very monochromatic. Now I'm going to do a little bit on my lip. And again, I'm just using my fingers. They're free and they keep giving to me. I'm going to just push this onto my lip almost just as like a gloss slash stain. Ta-da! One color, eyes, lips, cheeks. It's like the perfect rosy nudie color. Well, I thought I was done, but I'm not done because it's so neutral and I just want a tinge more. You see how easy it is to just build the color? I'm going to take a little bit more on the cheeks. Buff that in. A little bit more on the lids. You can layer or leave it like super natural like how I left it. And also push it into my lips. Am I glowing? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the glow down soon.